Hi guys, this recipe is from Farmer Bushcraft and Survival, and today I will make some energy bars. The ingredients are peanut butter, honey, oatmeal, some raisins with some cranberries and some coconut. Let's start it. First, we have to combine the peanut butter and the honey in low temperature. Then add the oatmeal and mix it. Cut it into pieces. And let it dry and cool. So it has been in the fridge for a while, and I'm ready for a taste test. Delicious. So, thank you, Lonnie, for this recipe, and please check Farmer Bushcraft and Survival's channel out. Link in the description box, and see you later.